In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. This process allows you to connect your Wix website with Mailchimp, so information from your site can be shared with your Mailchimp account based on the sync settings you choose. It is a helpful setup if you use Wix for your website and Mailchimp for email marketing, contact management, or audience updates. Before you begin, make sure you have access to both your Wix account and your Mailchimp account because you may need to sign in to each one during the connection process. To get started, go to the Mailchimp for Wix integration page. This is the page where the connection between the two platforms begins. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the official integration page for Mailchimp and Wix. You should see information about connecting Mailchimp with your Wix site, along with an option to begin the setup. When you are ready, click Connect and Continue. This button starts the authorization process and tells Wix that you want to add the Mailchimp integration to your account. After clicking it, the page may load for a few seconds while the system prepares the connection. This is normal, so give it a moment and wait for the next screen to appear. Next, you will be asked to log in to your Wix account. Enter your Wix login details and continue. If you are already logged in, Wix may skip this part and take you directly to the permissions screen. Make sure you are signing in to the correct Wix account, especially if you manage more than one website. The integration will be added to the Wix account and site connected during this process, so it is worth checking that you are in the right place before moving forward. Once you are logged in, Wix will show a permission screen. This screen explains that Mailchimp needs permission to connect with your Wix account. Review the information on the screen so you understand what access is being requested. After reviewing it, click Agree and Add. This confirms that you want to add the Mailchimp integration to your Wix account and allows the setup to continue. After that, follow the prompts to link your Mailchimp account. You may be asked to sign in to Mailchimp if you are not already logged in. Use your Mailchimp account credentials and continue through the connection screens. During this part, Mailchimp may ask you to confirm that Wix can connect to your account. Read the prompt carefully, then continue when everything looks correct. This step is what creates the link between your Wix site and your Mailchimp account, so the two platforms can communicate with each other. Once the accounts are linked, you will move on to the data sync settings. This is where you configure how information should be shared between Wix and Mailchimp. Review the available sync options on the screen and choose the settings that match how you want your contact data to move between the platforms. Take your time here because these settings help determine what information is synced and how the integration behaves going forward. After you have reviewed and configured the data sync settings, click Sync Now. This starts the sync process using the options you selected. Depending on the amount of data being connected, the sync may take a little time to complete. Wait for the confirmation or status update on the screen, and make sure the sync begins successfully. And that is all there is to it. You have connected Mailchimp to your Wix account, linked the two services, configured your sync settings, and started your first sync.